Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. We just got this awesome trade-in 2015 Boston Whaler 350 Outrage, fully loaded as you can see. Full tower, full controls up top. We've got white matching 300 Mercury Verados on the back. But the coolest part is all on board. This thing is set up to be a serious fishing machine. But not only that, you've got luxury everywhere for the family. Big seat in the rear, folds up nice and easy. Same seat over here on the side again, folds up underneath me. I'm standing on one of two gigantic fish lockers here, or if you're not out fishing, you've got plenty of space to store ice for a long time. They are insulated because the whole hull is pressure foamed, unsinkable just like every other whaler, so if you're just using them for ice and food for your trip to the Keys for the weekend, it's going to hold ice all weekend. We've got a nice prep station here. Big live well, which is actually your second live well. You've got another one on the stern there right as we walked on. Coming up, two huge Garmin displays. FLIR, which has your camera right there under the hard top. Lots of room at the helm for seating. You've got three individual captain's chairs with the captain centered, so you're right there in the center of the boat for navigating purposes. These are trolling seats here on the side. You've got one on each side as you're walking around. Nice to be able to sit there and interact with everybody at the helm while you're watching your outrigger lines to pop. Coming forward, lots of big seating up here as well. We've got a dual lounger with armrests here in the center. Underneath, big storage. This also locks, so at the end of the day you can throw all your rods in here, lock it up, and not have to worry about anybody jumping on board and taking your stuff if you're at the marina. Two more sun loungers up front that can be folded down. Underneath you've got non-skid, so when you're out fishing you've got another comfortable place to stand. And I love what Whaler did here with their head door. This is like a ship door. This thing is massive. Big double hinged, nice and smooth, easy to use. Take a look down in there. Lots of room. I'm 6'2". I can stand up in there. You've got a freshwater sink. Very, very comfortable to use. And finally, we don't want to forget this beautiful upper control tower here. We have full controls up top. We've got another FLIR station. We've got Garmin. We've got another radio. You can run this boat just as well from up top as you can from down here. So here, I'm going to jump up here real quick, show you guys how quick and easy it really is. I mean, it's just a few steps. You've got a big access hole. Slide on it underneath. Like I said, we've got full access from up top, full controls, and great sight for looking out there for fish. If you guys have any other questions about this, feel free to give me a call or send me a text on my cell phone, 303-875-3988. Thanks.